case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court was the battleground for an intriguing case in 1993 involving the United States Internal Revenue Service and the McDermotts, centering around the often contested issue of liens priority. A bank and the federal government found themselves at odds over which of their liens would take precedence on a delinquent taxpayer's property. Here's what led to the intriguing legal tussle. The private creditor, a bank, had successfully secured a judgment against the taxpayer in a state court, thereby obtaining a lien on the taxpayer's property. Meanwhile, the federal government filed a tax lien due to the taxpayer's delinquency. The primary concern was whether the bank's judgment lien or the government's tax lien would take priority on the after-acquired property of the taxpayer. Initially, the rhetoric seemed to favor the bank's lien, with both the District Court and the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit awarding priority to the bank's lien. This was primarily based on the order of the lien recordings and pertinent state laws. However, the government contested the decisions, prompting an appeal to the highest court. In a game-changing judgment, the Supreme Court overturned the decisions of the lower courts, throwing the first-to-record principle into question for tax liens. The verdict declared federal tax liens a priority, regardless of their place in the debtor's property records. By virtue of this ruling, the Supreme Court has unequivocally asserted the supremacy of federal tax liens over other liens, including private ones, effectively rewriting the rules of the game. The case is now set to return to the lower courts for further legal proceedings, guided by the new ruling from the Supreme Court. And with this, the saga remains an ongoing legal drama destined to shape lien prioritization.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class